The blockchains have overwhelmed the money display, and the monetary environment is packed with isolated individual scaled-down tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Subsequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token, FTT, depends on making itself genuinely exceptional, beating the rationalist crypto scene. With an exceptional spotlight on giving force to digital forms of money, FTX has arisen as a clever trade in the digital currency portion. FTX token offers brokers a special platform that rouses their dedication and offers power-pressed highlights that are unfathomable in regular cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, we should really take a look at FTX token outline. FTX token. The corporate social responsibility. The non-profit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistence as the standards to be executed in the whole environment of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX Foundation has teamed up with associations across the world to tackle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from long-range informal communication for good cause incorporate the Human League, the OpenAI, the Give Well groundwork, and altruism. FTX token is the trailblazer in high regard, chiefly on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for lodging a local token FTT, it turns out to be more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. In any case, as far as return of venture of last year, Ethereum beat FTX, and you can check Ethereum cost forecast here. FTX token. Historical data and technical analysis. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This vanguard innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the traditional techniques of exchange on the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized computer of venture commendable monetary standards. The inactivity that at first played for the FTX token is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as brokers. Throughout recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a critical cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enrolled an untouched high at $63.08. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and right now, it exchanges around $34. A much of the time and distinctly noticed quality of FTX token cost in the digital currency market is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. As a guileless contestant, this crypto resource is yet to get some momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. FTX token price prediction. Market sentiment. Presently, the cost of FTX token stands at $40.69, with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The coursing supply of FTX tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource classification. The cost figure specialists are very hopeful. Based on our conjecture framework, a drawn-out increment is normal. The FTX token cost guess for 2026 is $213.229. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75%. Regardless of its reception according to specialized examination, the FTX token cost confronted heat till January 2022. Going by cost expectations that bulls might be back, FTX token cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, say by 2024, $71.80, best case scenario. The cost of FTX token is by all accounts showing positive disorder. It might offer extensive revisitations of its financial backers by stretching around $57.32 toward the finish of 2022. Because of our forecasts, it is the best chance to purchase FTX token at the least cost. FTX token appears to be exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By December 2022 end, the cost ought to effortlessly swing around $48.84 to $50.69, which will be very nearly a 26% increase from the ongoing cost. In light of our cost conjecture, the FTX token has a promising future with a vigorous market cap. It might get hardly influenced, however bulls will be back, and throughout the following 5 years, the cost of FTT tokens might skyrocket to $811.018. Being founded on our forecasts, the FTX token cost could cross the $80.50 cost mark toward the finish of 2022 and $355 toward the finish of 2025. A great deal of FTX token tasks are moving from idea stage to testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of undertakings would have been finished. Consequently, an inside and out bullish value expectation of $52, giving FTX token a decent worth. According to the most recent news and cost estimate, the coin could arrive at the greatest cost of $52.37, and by 2023 going up to $64.88, showing an incredible worth. FTX token price prediction. 2022 to 2026. A profound infiltration into the statistical data points of FTX token, FTT, has a through-and-through various story to uncover. Regardless of having enormous future potential and commitments of hopeful exchanging, the token has a great deal of motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. As indicated by our crypto conjectures, the special